Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza on a pan. First, select a durable pan, such as cast iron, to ensure your pizza cooks evenly. Next, prepare a high hydration dough. This creates a wonderfully soft and airy crust. Gently press the dough into your pan, stretching it to the edges without tearing. This initial step is crucial for achieving that perfect pan pizza texture and shape. Now, let's talk about sauce and toppings. Apply a thin, even layer of your favorite pizza sauce. Too much can make your crust soggy. For cheese, low-moisture mozzarella is ideal, as it melts beautifully without releasing excess water. Distribute your chosen toppings evenly across the pizza. This ensures every slice offers a balanced and delicious combination of flavors and textures. Baking is where the magic happens. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure a hot cooking surface. Place your pizza on a lower oven rack. This helps achieve a wonderfully crispy bottom crust. Bake for approximately 12 to 18 minutes, or until the crust turns a beautiful golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. Keep an eye on it to prevent overcooking. Once baked, your pan pizza needs a moment to rest. Allow it to sit for about 5 minutes before slicing. This helps the cheese set and prevents toppings from sliding off. For an extra touch, consider a drizzle of good olive oil or a sprinkle of fresh basil. Finally, use a sharp pizza cutter to make clean, easy slices. Enjoy your delicious homemade pan pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.